Good afternoon, my dear children. Today we shall start a new lesson in our computer class, and the name of the lesson you must have understood. It's the mouse. Lesson number 7. So you can see this is a mouse. Okay. So we will learn more about the mouse today. Let's move on with our textbook. The mouse. Lesson number 7. So children, we already know what is a keyboard. We have also learnt in lesson number 2 about the mouse, okay, which is a very important part of a computer. Now let's learn little more about a mouse. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which is used to move, point or select items on a computer screen. A mouse is also used to draw and paint. Now, features of a mouse. A mouse commonly has 2 buttons, okay? There are 2 buttons on a mouse. 1, 2. And there is a wheel, okay, in the center of the mouse. A mouse has 2 buttons and a small wheel on it. It has a long wire attached to it, and with the help of this we can fix it in the computer. Holding a mouse. Keep your palm on the mouse. Keep your index finger on the left button. Keep your middle finger on the right button. Always place the mouse on the mouse pad to move it smoothly. To move the wheel of the mouse, use your index finger. So children, this is the mouse and you have to keep your palm on the mouse, okay? The palm of your hand, you have to keep it this way. Keep your index finger, that's your pointer, you keep it on the left button and the middle finger on the right button, okay? Always place it on a mouse pad, otherwise it's difficult to move the mouse. The wheel, you can use your index finger again, okay? So, your index finger is on the left button, middle finger in the right button, and you can use the index finger to move the wheel also. Now, using a mouse. How to use the mouse? You can use a mouse by clicking it. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. By clicking, you can draw and select the objects. So children, you are putting your index finger on the left button and you press it. That pressing is called clicking, okay? You may hear the clicking sound of the mouse, and this is called clicking. By clicking, you can draw and select the objects. Next, functions of mouse. You can click a mouse button in different ways to perform different functions. Now, when you press the left mouse button once, only once, this is called single click, okay? Next, you have the double click. Pressing the left mouse button 2 times, that is twice, quickly is called double click, okay? So, when you click the left button, okay, left mouse button 2 times, quickly, okay, not slowly, quickly, that is called double click. Next, right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. So, you are holding this way. When you press the right mouse button once is called right click. Next, children, dragging a mouse. Clicking and holding the left button while moving the mouse is called dragging. So, you are keeping the mouse here on the mouse pad, okay, and you are clicking the left button. You click it, you press it, okay, and you move the mouse. And this is called dragging, okay, dragging. You can drag the mouse to move the object from one place to another on a computer screen. You can also drag the mouse to draw shapes and pictures. Now children, when I connect this wire to the computer, you will see, and you move the mouse, you will see an arrow, okay? An arrow in the screen, the monitor, and that is called the mouse pointer, okay? Whenever you move the mouse, a small arrow also moves on the screen of the computer. This small arrow is known as mouse pointer. So children, we come to the end of today's lesson, that is the mouse. I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Any problem, you can contact me. Keep watching the video and complete the work in the book itself. Exercise number 1. Tick the correct answer. A mouse is a dash device holding, pointing, typing. So it's a pointing device. Okay, you write here pointing. Next, a dash is used for drawing and painting on computer. So it's a mouse. Okay, it's not a keyboard, it's not a CPU, it's a mouse which is used for drawing and painting on a computer. So you write here mouse. Number 3, the small arrow that moves on the screen is called shape, picture, pointer. It's a pointer. So you write here pointer. Write in the boxes T for true and F for false statement. Number 1, you can draw pictures using a mouse. True. So we write T. Number 2, pressing the left mouse button is called single click. True. Number 3, pressing and releasing the right mouse button is called double click. False. We keep index finger on the left button. True. Okay? T. Number 3, match column A with column B correctly. So this is click click. Click click means double click. So you will write here number 1, double click. Okay. Number 2, what is this sign or symbol? This is the mouse pointer. So you will write here number 2. Okay. Just next to mouse pointer. Number 3, click. That is a single click. So you will write number 3. And number 4 is click again. That is the right click. Okay, the click is on the right click. So it is right click. So number 4. Okay. Number D, that is the last one. Unscramble the following words taking the help of the below mentioned clues. Now, a mouse. Okay. So you have to unscramble these words. Okay. They are not given in proper order. You have to write it correctly. So it's a pointing, P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G, pointing, device, D-E-V-I-C-E, device. Number 2, a finger kept on left mouse button. So which finger do we keep on the left mouse button? It is our index finger, I-N-D-E-X, index, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Okay, index finger. And the last one is a small arrow on the screen. It's a mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, pointer, P-O-I-N-T-E-R, pointer. So children, you will complete these exercises, page number 50 and 51 in the book itself. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.